What's going on, everyone? We're going to take a look at the NASDAQ 100, which is the triple Qs. My name is D. Anthony with evolutiontraders.com. I am bringing you a bunch of technical analysis outlooks on different stocks and ETFs so you guys can kind of gauge and kind of pick your spot so you guys can make some money. Whether you're a day trader or a scalper or a swing trader, these levels are going to be good for everyone. So we're going to start off with the daily time frame. And going back to yesterday's candle, if you can kind of notice how we closed yesterday, we got rejected here at the 100-day simple moving average. Now, if we were going to look for any type of more continued expansion coming off of this bottom channel line here, what we were going to need to see was today's candle to close and hold the 5-day moving average. Now, if we were to hold a 5-day moving average, say tag it, bounce, and then start making our way back up, maybe get 1 or 2 more days worth of consolidation, I would be looking to the long side here over 293.25 on the triple Qs. That did not happen. We had a little bit of a gap down, a little bit of a washout, and now we are starting to close below this 5-day moving average. One thing that I want everyone to kind of keep in mind is after we got this whole breakout, if you can kind of notice this whole area, this whole channel that we've been sitting in here since September, look at the decline. Look at the resistance level here, okay? If you look at this resistance and supply zone here, you can see as soon as we broke out of this resistance level 3 days ago, we put in a new high, and now we are healthy, taking a rest and a back test here into this 5-day moving average, as well as the linear regression channel. Now, not to say that we're going to head lower. We could come down, back test this former area of resistance, which is now going to turn into support, and then make a move higher. If that's the case and we come down here and tag this area, and then a following day candle starts to open up and we start to make a push higher, you can take an easy long position off of this channel here around 283 on the triple Qs or your favorite tech stock, and you could potentially bounce that and use this as your stop. Now, if we do looking to swing trade, or you're looking to get into a shorter term trade, anything below 284.50 has about $2 worth of room, and anything below $2.83 could be coming back down to this 50-day moving average here on the daily time frame, which is sitting at around 278. This would be a stronger and more healthy pullback into 278. So this is actually the move that I'm looking for and waiting for. Hopefully we can kind of see that happen. If not, what you're going to be looking for here is to see if this holds. If this area holds, we consolidate for 1 or 2 days and we get a little bit of a green candle, then you can try to bounce that long. As of right now, I would not trying to be anticipating the bounce here, as we do have some airspace before we get down into that next demand. Now, the bigger trade that I'm looking for here is that washout of around 283. I'm looking for the washout of 283. I will take a short position from 283 to 278. Stocks that I'm going to be looking to play is going to be something like Nvidia. Again, we have earnings. We're going to have to keep an eye on those earnings, but I'll be looking to play something like Nvidia or AMD or Tesla. Meta also is a stock that I played today, did fairly well on Meta, but that's how I'm kind of looking at and navigating the market. Is the market going higher? Is the market going lower? It's not one for us to kind of distinguish and kind of try to analyze and guess, right? We never want to guess. All we want to do is just react. Let's just react to the price action. Let's try to get in where we fit in. Let's try not to be greedy. Let's understand that the market doesn't need to do what we want it to do. The market is just going to do what it needs to do. Practice good risk management. Look at, if you go in with some smaller size and you're able to make $100, $200, $300, $400 on a potential trade, take those profits. You don't need to make those 50% gains. You don't need to make that 100% gains. You don't have to hit the home run trade where you're looking to bank in 1,000, 2,000, ride a trade for 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks at a time. Let's just get in on an intraday basis. Let's make some money. Let's be smart about this. Take your profits and move along and look for the next setup. Guys, I've been doing this for 7 years, just about 5.5, 6 years full time now. And, as much as I, kind of preach to a lot of newer traders that I talk to, there's always going to be another trade. Okay. The whole idea of this business is staying power. You want to be able to stay in this business. You want to be able to stay with your capital. You want to be able to have the reserves to be able to make trades on a day in and day out basis. Now, you're not going to be able to take perfect trades every day. You may essentially not be able to take trades every day. But if you have the power, the staying power to be able to stay in the game, then you're going to do very, very well for yourself. I hope that kind of helps. Again, guys, be smart out there. If you guys want to join the Discord, that link is down in the description box below. I will catch you guys all on the next video.